Second heart sound is heard during the isovolumetric relaxation phase, and it is a high pitched sound, and you have two components in this, A2 and as well as P2. And if you take the distance between A2 and as well as P2, the distance between A2 and P2, it completely varies, right? So how it varies is, you take during inspiration, the split between A2 and P2 is around 40 to 50 milliseconds, right, where you are able to listen a physiological split. This is during inspiration, whereas during expiration the split is less than 30 milliseconds. That is the reason why during expiration you will not be able to listen the split during expiration. So please remember, during inspiration you will have a split, and during expiration there is absence of the split.